This was the moment Constable Zungu's testimony ran straight into a problem. And that problem had a name: Gadla. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another great edition of the Senzo Meyiwa trial. I'm your host, Skybridge. Advocate Mnisi carefully led Gadla through his evidence in chief, putting before him what Zungu had previously told this court. And Gadla did not dance around it. He confronted that version head-on. Claim after claim, the picture Zungu painted was challenged by a man speaking about events he says he personally never experienced. And suddenly, this wasn't just another defense witness giving evidence. This became a direct collision between two versions before the court. So the question is no longer simply, what did Zungu say? The question is, after hearing Gadla, how much of Zungu's testimony can still stand? Watch this carefully, because Mnisi was laying the foundation and Gadla came to zero Zungu's version. Here it goes.
Now, Constable Zungu further said that in his evidence that you remember he said that in that room where he got in, it was yourself, Kwabeni, accused number 1, and accused number 2, Mr. Ntanzi, and that yourself and accused number 1 had firearms in your possessions.
Usakhumbula ke yena ke uZungu wathi ke kulela room lela camera lena ke bekuwena kukwabeni umsala wokuqala nomsala wesibili uNtanzi waphinde washo wathi ke wena naye ke umsala wokuqala ke yini beniphethe isibhamu.
Yebo.
Yes.
Now he further told the court that specifically Mr. Sibiya, who's accused number 1, was in possession of a .38 revolver and you were in possession of a 9mm pistol.
Uyithe ke namakabeka wathi ke umndane ke uaccused number 1 ubephethe ke isibhamu asibiza ke i.38 wena uphethe ke lesibizwa ke u9mm.
Yebo.
Yes.
Do you have any comments?
Khona ufuna ukusho mhlambe kulokho?
Lo muntu unamanga leli phoyisa kaZungu.
This police official, my lord, is lying.
Because nkantolo uMakhosonke ufikile la kule court.
Yes.
uMakhosonke uthi uZungu wamfonela weza kuye.
My lord, Makhosonke came before the court to testify, and he did mention before the court that Zungu called. Zungu fonela enzeni?
uZungu wafonela uMakhosonke waya kuye.
Okay, Zungu.
Ufuna ukuza kuye babona.
Zungu called Makhosonke that he wanted him to come to him so that they can meet.
Yes.
Uthi waya kuye bafika kuye ngerange emhlophe.
He said they proceeded to him and they arrived there in a Ranger, white Ranger.
Ukuthi ngikhohlile igama lendawo athi waye kuye uMakhosonke lapha athi bazohlangana khona.
I've forgotten the name of the place where they were to meet.
Yes.
Uthi uMakhosonke uZungu wathi bamfake ekuthene baviste kuba mphoyisa investigate icase kaSenzo Meyiwa.
Ngicela uphinde futhi.
uMakhosonke uthi uZungu wathi bamfake emaphoyiseni investigate icase kaSenzo Meyiwa.
Makhosonke said Zungu had placed him in the team of investigators who are investigating the Senzo Meyiwa's case.
Uthi wayesethi uthole lapha na icase kaSenzo Meyiwa uthi khona igama likaGwabini.
He said when you got there in Senzo Meyiwa's case, there was already a name, Gwabeni's name.
Khona igama laSimphiwe Buthelezi.
And Simphiwe Buthelez's name.
Khona igama likaNkani.
Nkani.
Khona igama likaMafika.
Mafika.
Ngisakhumbula noma walibala nalikaSibiya.
I cannot recall if he did mention Sibiya's name.
Uthi wambuza yena ukuthi uyabazi laba bantu okhuluma ngabo.
He asked him if he knows these people that he's referring to or he's talking about.
Uthi wathi akabazi kodwa uyafuna ukuhlangana nabo uzabazi.
His answer was that he does not know them, but he would like or love to meet and know them.
Uthi wathi kuye ngathi ufuna ukusifaka enkingeni.
He said to him, it's like you want to involve yourself in a trouble something.
So ngisho ukuthi ke lo muntu lo kahle kahle wayengeke lo muntu omayimbuza ethi abantu akabazi kodwa besazi benathi 2014 eForstoras na 26 October.
What I'm saying is that there's no way that when he was asked about these people he will say he does not know us, yet he said he had met with us in 2014.
So lento lena khuluma ngaye ethenzeke endlini into engeke ingazange zenzeke.
What he has told the court that has happened in the house is something that never happened.
Lento into ehlanganiswa uZungu benamaphoyisa lawo phethe icala Senzo Meyiwa.
This is just a plot or something that is just put together by the police or the team that are dealing with the Senzo's case.
Ufike ubaba kaZungu la ecourt.
Zungu's father came before the court.
Wakhe impela lo yiphoyisa uZungu lo thwa yenathi.
The Mr. Zungu, the police official whom it is alleged that he was with us.
Uthi ubaba uZungu uConstable Zungu wamcela ukuthi bacele yobafakazela ekhesini kaSenzomeyiwa.
Zungu's father said that Zungu had requested that they go and testify for them in the Senzo Meyiwa's case.
Uthi wambuza ukuthi uyofakazela nobani, uyofakazela nobani.
His question to him was that to testify in this case with who or for who.
Uthi wathi noGininda.
He said with Gininda.
Uthi wamkhuza wathi akutshela ukuthi yena hlwana noGininda wakho.
He said he reprimanded him and told him that he must stay away from Gininda.
So yonke lento lena ikhomisa ngokusobala ukuthi lento le ikhandiwe.
You can just see that all this is just a plot.
Ngoba kwazi ukuthi umuntu engacela ubaba wakhe ukuthi ayomfakazela kodwa ubaba wakhe ebe azi ngecala.
Because it is not possible that somebody can approach his father to go and testify for him while the father knows about the case.
Ngoba ubaba wakhe uzuthi wathi kumele ngishintshe isibongo ngithi nguKhumalo.
Because his father further even mentioned that he was supposed to change his surname to Khumalo.
Uthi wamfonela futhi esela eGoli sesukele kuyele wafona esela eGoli uConstable Zungu.
He said Constable Zungu gave him a call again when he was now in Gauteng.
Wabuza ukuthi lento ebesikhulume ngayo usenzela uzokwazi usenzela yona.
And then asked him that this issue or this matter that we discussed, are you still able to do that for us?
Uthi ubaba Zungu yena wavuma ngoba wayefuna ukwazi ukuthi uGininda uyayazi lento le eshuwe ingane yakhe.
Zungu's father said he agreed, and the reason for him to agree was that he just wanted to find or to search whether Gininda knows about this issue that his son communicated to him.
Uthemba wensuku wafona uGininda.
Says after a few days, Gininda now gave him a call.
Wathi bayimfonela wathi awumzilikazi kaMashobane.
When he called him by his clan names, Mzilikazi kaMashobane.
Uthi wathi ngathi ayi ukhuluma ngathi ufonele number wrong.
His response was like, it's like you have called the wrong number.
Mina nguZungu.
I am Zungu.
Uthi wasembuza ukuthi uyamazi uConstable Zungu.
He now asked him if he knows Constable Zungu.
Uthi ngathi ingane yami leyo.
His response was, he's my child.
Uthi wayethi hayi ngizobe sikhulume ngisakhuluma noSizwe Zungu.
He now said, okay, we'll talk again. I'm still talking to Sizwe Zungu at the moment.
So lento yonke mawuhlanganisa uyibheke uyayibona ukuthi lento lena kahle kahle into ekhandwayo.
If you look at all these things, one can clearly see that this is just a plot.
Ngoba bakuthiwa ekhanda ayikhandiwe lento. Bengeke uGeneral Shabane mayifika la ecourt afika athi uZungu uye owakhomba achoose number 1 ukuthi aboshwe 2019.
Matang, if this was not a plot, there was no way that General Shabane will come before this court and then point accused number 1. Accused number 1
ukuthi aboshwe ikhaya kaSenzomeyiwa.
Okay, that he's the one that pointed out accused number 1 for him to be arrested on this Senzomeyiwa's case.
Ngoba uthi uShabane uZungu wathi accused number 1 uhlala phethe isibhamu esadubula Senzomeyiwa.
Because Lishabane further said that accused number 1 always carries a firearm that was used to shoot Senzomeyiwa.
Ngoba esebhampile KZN lapha ethi sikhona khona ama police station. Ngoba engasasitholanga eKZN lapha ethi sikhona khona ama police station.
Because he did not get the same at the KZN police station where he said it was kept.
Kodwa uZungu yena qobo lakho uConstable Zungu utshelele court ukuthi akazi lutho ngokuboshwa kwaSibiya 2019.
But Constable Zungu himself told this court that he does not know anything about the arrest of Sibiya in 2019.
Kodwa uGeneral Shabane uthe emontweni wafaka yena kube uGeneral Shabane kube namanye amaphoyisa ayithuba abayi4 ukuthi uchoose number 1 angamboni ngoba uthi banokubahlobana.
But General Shabane mentioned before the court that in the motor vehicle there were 4 police officers himself, so that accused number 1 cannot see him since they are related somewhere.
Wasekhipha nenye imoto okuyona bazofike bambopheke labo bantu oba yena bayihamba noZungu Shabane.
And then there was another car that was going to be used for the arrest since he was traveling with General Shabane.
Yonke lento iyakhomba ukuthi lento lena ihlanganisiwe ikhandiwe.
From all this, one can see that this is just a plot.
Ngoba mangakhandi uZungu kwamele asho la court ukuthi uSibiya 2019 waboshiswa kuye.
Because if it was not a plot, Constable Zungu was supposed to mention in court that Sibiya was arrested in 2019 and he was the one that made that possible.
Kodwa wayifihlele enkantolo leyo nto.
But he hid that information from the court.
uGeneral Shabane utshelele court ukuthi uZungu weza kuye ekhala ethi uGininda uthi akenze statement esingamanga.
Lishabane also told the court that
Lishabane utshelele court ukuthi uZungu weza kuye ekhala ethi ena uGininda uthi akenze statement esingamanga.
That Zungu came to him crying saying Gininda want him to make a false statement.
Lento yonke yakubonisa ukuthi yakhandwa.
All this, it's just clear that it's just a plot.
Umbuso uthi kuLishabane akashintshe istatement ngoba sihearsay.
The state now said to Lishabane that he should change the statement since the statement is just hearsay.
Angasho ukuthi uZungu wezwa ngogwabini ukuthi uNtanzi noSibiya basolakala ekufeni kaSenzomeyiwa.
That he must not mention that Zungu heard from Gwabeni that Ntanzi and Sibiya are suspected in the matter.
Bathi wayekhona yena uZungu
They said he should say that he himself, Zungu, was present,
enathi eFosloras ngena ngokwafa ngalo Senzo Meyiwe nge-26 October 2014
that he was with us at Fosloras on that day when Senzo Meyiwe died on the 26th of October 2014
ehostel eBasuthwini.
at the Basuthwini hostel.
So yonke lento mawuyibheka uyayibona ukuthi into ekhandiwe lehlalelwe phansi yakhandwa ukuthi lento lena vele kunabantu kumele bayofela leliyaqala baphenduke uJesu Kristu.
Looking at all this, one can clearly see that this is just a plot. There are people that have been marked to take responsibility of this matter, just like Jesus Christ.
uGeneral Shabane uthi waphuma ecasuke kakhulu ema-ofisini ka-Advocate Baloyi.
General Shabane mentioned that when he left Baloyi's office, he was very irritated
Ngoba bemphoqa ukuthi enze into ngesiyona befuna ukuthi ashintshe ubufakazi kube ngenye indlela.
because they were forcing him to do something that is not correct, to change the evidence to something that is not.
Wazi wakubeka ukuthi ngoba yena ugeneral nje la eSouth Africa. What about umuntu ongelutho? Ma ubekwazi ukuthi benze kanje izinto ezifana nalezo kumuntu ongangayi esikhundleni.
And he further mentioned that if they can do this to him as a general, what more of just a lay person or just a normal person?
So lento ibonala ngosobala ukuthi lento lena ekhulunywe yibo bonke laba abantu ogwabini la ukuthi kwakhulwa indaba ze-statement ibona kuthiwa bazofaka izinto abangayazi la babe phoqwa vele yonke into lena ikhandiwe ukuthi kahle kahle gcine kwenzakalani kuboshwa thina.
Yeah, you can see that everything that was said by them and Gwabeni, that they were forced to make statements which are not true. You can see that it's just a plot so that we can be arrested.
So because kanti lo yonke lento ekhulunywa uConstable Zungu la ecourt ngami into nje engayazi sidalo.
My Lord, everything that Constable Zungu has mentioned before this court concerning me are things that I know nothing about at all.
Ngikhandelwa nje story ukuthi ngabulala ingane yabantu ngazange ngibulala.
It is just a story, my Lord, that I killed somebody else's child, which
And
I did not do.
And lento ibonisa ukusobala ukuthi abogininda nethimba lakhe abobaloyi ema-ofisini wabo kahle kahle abanandaba nomunye umuntu abanandaba neminye imindeni as long uphumelela inhloso zabo bona ngendlela abafuna ngayo.
My Lord, this is just clear that Gininda and his team, Baloyi also and his team, they don't care about somebody else. All they care about is that their own plans come to fruition, my Lord.
Ukuthi wena ushaywa life sentence yohlala ejele kusumsebenzi wabo lokho bezongibona bephumelela lokho abafunayo.
That one is given a life sentence to spend in jail, they don't give a damn as long as they got what they wanted.
Ukuthi wena ufelwe umuntu wakini wena umuntu ombulele mhlawumbe ugcina angatholakala abanandaba as long bona uzophumelela lokho ofunwa yibo.
That somebody has lost a family member and the person who had killed that family member is not found, they don't care as long as they got what they wanted.
So lento ibonisa ngosobala yonke ukuthi lento le into ekhandiwe yahlalelwa phansi.
This is clear, my Lord, that is just a plot. It's something that they planned, they sat down and planned all this.
Ngoba ngilanje court mina ngeqala ngingalazi.
As I'm standing before the court today for something that I do not know, I stop there.
Thank you, Mr. Mncube. It will be noted, Mr. Mncube, that all the examples that you referred to, which you're basing your conclusion that this is just a trump-up case against you, is something that you are not thumb-sucking. Everything is on record. Everything was said here in court, not so.
Yes, I'm done. Uthi umeli ke kuzowaziwa ukuthi ke konke lokho kushoyo zonke lento lezi ke osikhulumile asizinto nje phela osithatha nje emoyeni izinto ezibufakazi futhi obukhona futhi la enkantolo.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, you are saying the allegation by Constable Zungu that on the 26th of October 2014, you were in possession of a 9mm pistol, and accused number one was in possession of a .38 revolver pistol. That's not true.
Manje ke uthi ke konke lokho ke okushiwo uConstable Zungu la enkantolo ethi ke mhla ka-26 October ngo-2014 ke wena uphethe ke isibhamu ke so 9mm umsola wokuqala bekaphethe ke i.38 revolver kulo iqiniso lelo.
Amanga lawo.
That's a lie.
Angimazi Zungu.
I don't know Zungu.
Angimazi accused number 1 uSibili.
I don't know accused number 1 Sibiya.
Azange be nabe eFosloras eBasuthwini hostel nge-26 October 2014.
I was never with them at the Basuthwini hostel in Fosloras on the 26th of October 2014.
So yonke lento ingamanga nje.
So everything they are saying is just a lie.
Lekho